Ebusuafo memo bibia kwa ba deba GCN page so midin de adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell also for more news. Asempa FM omo odwumade bia watu ni ekosi sen na ekosi sen so eye adwumade bia Ghanafo epeye papa ene ebofo o'clock anya sem keto akora Ghana ha obia eti na program no eye obi na host sa program na say eba be start ya obi and I say sometimes ABY eye ekua boachoa yadom omo no host na so mo be host program na introduction no eye oman hini kwabena sante omo ekoso eko discuss trending issues that ekoso ewo politics ewo Ghana hanom na dano program omo host eye ABY na host program no na oman hene ekopie so no na ensema omo eka na omo ekyerese sisie bebia Ghana yedu no yehia obi a oba bedi yani ma oba ose ya kwan enye obeye yeni enough hospitals obema ye enough hospitals ama ye enough beds ama ye enough ambulance ama ye chese ama na police service no emu ashema ama na chese nyama e wo Ghana ha no nyina bibia to na kwan because they say Ghana ye kono enye nti abatu na eba beto no enye obi a oye 10 gram obi a ne ho ye fe obi o tese ndabi ye pekandini a oba beboa yen ewo ya setena mu because enyama ekoso wo Ghana hanom no odu wani ekirem ewo yayaresa emmembia na chese obi wo honom a otimi ewu because onya bed mpo enda so na nurses for na say doctors for attend to nipa na akwa no obi wu a chese opemfo ekọ hospital a owo kra baby obeda eye problem enyama we nyina ye nyama ketekiti a edi omaninya na fenso ye main roads e wo Ghana hanom to say from Accra to Kumasi from Accra to Takrade ade a say akwan no mo baba mi say na be accident esisi amanfo ewu no eto ebetwa inti abato ye baba to 2024 youth ne yema ne ye ninda ho enye obi a ne ho ye fe enye obi o ye tietia obi o ye tenten obi o wonimdi a ode ebeboa oman Ghana no ene ye nhwe so ne ye to aba no emfa ema no na omo eye discussion efa eye oman penin dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama eye ne forms a okopeke so obeye flag bearer ensem bi ode tuwa ehuna na omo eboboa ensem we ekos ne enti ensem a omo de atuwa
makachiro ye beto aba na ye beto no it will not be based on meritocracy nyini po sefata it will be based on cognizance bema muani cognizance afuni this year and our background no obi a so I say cognizance about jemu papa this is the reason why we are going to vote unfortunately but the real reasons at stake say when the betima say health sector na mai what demonstrating even in his private life so betima say ya bra bo mai when the road sector, when the educational sector, and anything, when the betting services are number. When the bar ministers of betting media got 30 or 35 or 40. We 16 regional ministers if you are. They are correct my manager, I'm not be 40 B. When the bar, or Blackasa or your way, a country owns some crobatitis. So when the bar, or Bashasi hospitals will be well equipped. Any Ghana for this year class alpha expectations about support system na ama nipa kwa be fi miam yet ma ba e kolebu ene EGMS ne ene ye regi why ne beba obe limit abusua ne namfo no am ye hu say e based on merit and competence why ne beba yeah that is all Professor Tifa so and I think that if all of us when we get to the public office what the hell and I work with Nipanko as some more. And I from see a shot say as oh my Ghana. Yes, I did. What Nipanko?
What more office order? One who pictures in a 20.
Just a Juma in here, you cry. When Nipanko and man yourself any in a so at kind. When Nipanko has some. And you'll be a fair. Yeah, because I know that was there. The moment you won't. Hey, are you Mufempo? The Maria Master you won't. It's in your master you mutino. Sans him who are Mudu Stadium one manner. The son is also sana, young from Moya Brana. A whole baby that me can say. And yet, what do you say MDC and MPP, twice one NDC bar automatic. Bibia a musician, what he said, that be Yamwa. Said your baby to my criticizing and paying for no. Yamwa. And on this note, Mr. NDC for also say almost leadership, they are becoming unnecessarily tough on Ghana's development. Because a cross mouse would timbi. Yen na baby, I be dunu. Yen himself chumutaya. AGSM a pasca. It is a see here more free IMF in their own small way. I do bet my idea boy bia masa di netimia bano. It's only one Ghana. Ye treat that resa na ye mu ye wona ye tutu ayam pia kire ye musa no. It's only one Ghana. Ye ministers munko. No munko ye omadwuma. If you say dey bia meka, all of us we are calling for equity. By ensa wo nyina for. Ye nyina we are falling short of that so-called equity na ye kan wasa. Ye nyina we are guilty. So if you want to open up fresh pages, let's do that as a country collectively and hold people accountable and responsible, but not people out of mischief and political gains and capital at the expense of the country. Unfortunately, we are a bunch of vulnerable people. You understand the unnecessarily partisan instead of thinking Ghana. And people become. And this big chum. All these titles I did that soon now, my hand cabana santin, one, in Team Jackery, one will be a baby chumako. So, space now, when you know, fill that space well. Said the Baya Uniwa. Obi Besiwa Nema, Yabek Bo din de Biarada. Say, MPP for Sweden, and Yamini Nukrini. Ya who say, O mino, a copa, Nene Ubet Macasach. Because all to the fukra no posa. All to the funo no posa. Baby, if we all don't adjust, especially government in power, if we don't adjust, let me go back and quote Dr. Baumia: contractors suffering, teachers suffering, producers suffering, mates suffering, Anglican suffering, Romans, everybody is suffering. So there's a need to adjust and give us a certain hope that even in the midst of the storm, yen ye crash no, yes I shall say, yes I ties no, yes I any swadi no, yes I suni a buy no. Ye bet me the mako akodu bosha asas. If I am from nukra na, e beka break tiki na modu. Ti obi betwa so say ankasa and I say NDC and CPP no. Sa ankofo no, omo break say omo. But any administration oba gan ya man say from 1992. Obi a take over omonyon party no moku ye kora o. Omo say ye bi ye sikasem ye djuma sem bibia butu. Oh, Debbie. Baby, I could do it. What they ain't me cry. Hey, baby, I'm going to do it. Now for Froswaba. The same chorus, the same line. We are just a bunch of people recycling our so-called thoughts and thinking that we are developing.
But my only a walk NDC man you call letters and say, they say, Minim say no direct will say order. Say, Yentumi differentiate between Amanyoku NDC no any members of parliament no a omai say yenhu say MPs na adwuma no ye running from NDC headquarters ana say members of parliament na ankasa ntumi take decision bia this say a sanction from headquarters one more ansa na atumi aye adwuma because from near walking let no mensa ka bia